Net C1 Standard B states that you must contribute to the planning, development, communication, implementation, and evaluation of technology-infused strategic plans at the district and school levels. Any successful technology program begins with planning. You can start by using evaluations, reaching out to your stakeholders, and seeking assistance to ensure you are heading in the right direction. During this course, I was able to look at all of my classmates' school systems, policies, and procedures when it comes to technology. I worked closely with 2 classmates to compare our own school systems, policies, and procedures. I then created a presentation using screencasts to show my findings. By being able to collaborate with other school systems and view their policies, procedures, budgets, and plans, I was able to see what works best for them and where my school system can grow. It also gave me several different ideas that I can present to the team while looking and working on our own personal plan. You can click on the video to watch my screencast presentation. And then I also attached 3 other assignments that I've already discussed in the standard above, but working on these assignments also helped me to meet this standard 1B.